Welcome to my video. This video will show you all what the Lovemaths app for Android can do for you. In a few words, this app will allow you to do math function studies, do integral calculations, search antiderivatives, and solve equations. Let's start with an example. I want here to study the function log x squared plus 1 plus 5. So I enter this function in the first field, and in the second field I can give an interval for the function study. If I do not give any interval, the app will find the interval by itself. So once this is done, I just press the Go key. The analysis is started, and in a few seconds I will get a PDF file with the result of my analysis. So here is a PDF file. If I have a look at this PDF file, I can find my function, the function I want to study. I can see that its domain of definition is R, that it is derivable on R. The app is also giving me the derivative of my function. It also gives me the limits of the function when going to minus infinite and plus infinite. Limits are plus infinite and plus infinite. It also gives me a table of values. Here I can see that when x is equal to 0, my function is equal to 5. And it also gives me the table of variation of my function, so I can see that the function is first decreasing from plus infinite to 5, and then again increasing from 5 to plus infinite. And at last, I can find a graph of my function, where I can see that effectively my function is first decreasing and then it is increasing. So this was the first possibility offered by the Lovemaths app. The second possibility is to do integral calculations. So to do integral calculations, I just enter the function I want to integrate. So here I take log of x, and I specify an interval for the integration, let's say 1 to 2. Once this is done, I press the Go key. In a few seconds, I will have a PDF file with the results I asked for. Here I can see my function, log of x, and the result, which is 2 log 2 minus 1, with an approximation of the result. The app is also calculating the average value of the integral, and is showing the results on a graph where I can see the red surface corresponding to the value of the integral and the green surface corresponding to the average value of my integral. Another possibility is to search antiderivatives. In this case, I just specify a function and I remove the interval. Here I have cleared it. And once this is done, I press the Go key to get the result, to get the PDF file. And here I have the result, so I can see that the antiderivative of log x is x log x minus x, plus c being a real constant. So there is a last possibility, which is equation solving. For equation solving, I first give the left hand side of my equation, which is x squared plus x plus 2, and then I give above the right hand side, which is here equal to 5. Once this is done, as usual, I press the Go key. I will have the results in a few seconds. So the PDF file arrived. And when I have a look at it, I can see my initial equation. And the app is saying that it is equivalent to a quadratic equation, which is given to me. On this, the app is calculating the discriminant of these quadratic equations, which is equal to 13. So first I have two solutions, which are also given by the app. And as a final result, the app is also showing the curve corresponding to my equation. And I can see that the curve is crossing twice the x-axis, meaning that I have effectively two real solutions to my equation. So there is a last screen where you have a reminder of what we just said on how to use this app. First, you have to choose what you want to do, a function analysis, an integration calculation, or an equation solving. Then you have to fill as a second step the required fields, for example, for a function study. Then you click on the Go OK, and after a few seconds, you will have a PDF file with the requested results, as we have seen previously. And at last, if you still want some more explanation, you can have again a look at the video. Welcome to my video. This video will show you all what the Lovemaths app for Android can do for you.